we are continuing with our balance sheet. We are now going on to completing it. Remember, we ended in the middle. This is now part 2. Now we are going to the non-current liabilities. We have got a mortgage bond. We are going to write here mortgage bond. It is from mortgage loan from Custom Bank. Okay, this is what we have as a non-current liability. It is having adjustments, so we are going to adjust here as a calculation. So let me indicate the calculation here. Mortgage loan. Okay, all right, so they are saying here, okay, the mortgage loan that we are given here is 262,200 at the end of the year on 30 June 2015. 30 June 2015. Okay, there's an adjustment number E. The mortgage loan from Customs Bank was obtained on the 1st of April 2014. This will be repaid over 6 years. A fixed loan repayment excluding interest is made at the end of each month. The first monthly loan payment was made on 30 April 2014. All the other loan repayments have been made. Interest is not capitalized and has been correctly recorded. Okay, so that is the information that we are given. Okay, the repayments are done on a monthly basis, and then they said that the first payment took place already on the 30th of April, and all the other repayments in this financial year have also been done for us to reach to this amount of 262,200. It means all the repayments have been done, but the repayments are starting from the end of April up to 30 June 2015. So when we look at it closely, let's find out how many payments have been made so far. From 30 April to 30 June. Okay, 2015. So this is 2014. So the number of months from here at the end of April they paid up to the end of June. You will find out that there are 15 months. So the payments that have been made so far are for 15 months. Okay, fine. So let's find out anyway, okay, from the information that we are given. Okay, we are given that, okay, fine. This loan was supposed to be paid over a period of how many? How many years? 6 years, is it? Okay, let's find out how many months are there in 6 years. Okay, we'll say 6 months. 6 times the number of months that we have in a year. It will give us something like 72 months. So this loan is supposed to be repaid over a period of 72 months. And already, how many months have been repaid? 15 months. 15 months have already been repaid. And now we're having a balance of 262,200. The reason why we're doing this calculation, we want to find the current portion of loan. The current portion of loan that is going to be, that is the amount that is being taken out each and every year to repay the loan. Okay, fine. So it means we are now going to say 72 months minus the 15 months. It will give us how many months remaining? Let's calculate 72 minus 15. 72 minus 15 will remain with something like 57 months. Will remain with 57 months. So in other words, 262,200 is equal to is actually for 57 months. So we can divide to find out how much money is it that is being repaid per month. Okay, so we divide by 57. This is the loan at the end. We are going to get something like 4,600 per month. So now we multiply by 12 months so that we can get the current portion of the loan times 12, which is going to give us something like 52,200. This one is the current portion of loan. Okay. I hope you have understood the calculation that I've done here. It is a little bit longer anyway, but I hope if you look at it step by step or you listen to it step by step, you will actually be able to understand exactly what I was doing. Okay, so what we are going to do here now on our template, what we're supposed to show, okay, mortgage loan, customs bank. I'm going to remove customs bank so that I can have space to show my calculation here. The way I would also want you to show it if you were writing an examination. Okay, the mortgage bond, okay, or the mortgage loan. Okay, so now we are going to indicate 262,000 262,200 minus 52,200, which is the current portion of the loan. We are going to remain with something like it's 55, it's 55,200 here. I was saying here, okay, the mortgage bond is supposed to be 262,200 minus 55,200. Let's go back to the calculation. I made an error here. It's not 52,200. It's supposed to be 55,200. 55,200. You can see, you can check again to say 262,200 divided by 57. 4,600 times 12 months, you get 55,200. I'm sorry about that. I made an error here. Okay, so when you subtract here, you are going to remain with something like 207. 207,000. Okay, there's nothing else that we are going to record under the current liabilities. So it means the non-current liability is 207,000. Okay, 207,000. Okay, you can also show here, since there's space here, you can also show that you did a calculation like this to say 4,600 multiplied by 12 months, which should give you, these are 55,200